now we've got it sewed all the way around. It's time to turn it. So we're going to take again and cut our corners. It takes a lot of the bulk out of our corners when we turn it. You can experiment. You may find that it's not stiff enough for you and you want to put the interfacing in it like we did the luggage tags, but I tend to want it soft. It's just a preference to you. So we're going to find our opening right here. We're going to reach in and find that handle. And we're going to grab that handle and we're just going to pull. And we're just going to start using that to turn it inside out. Okay? And just keep pulling it out. And then we use our purple thing again and just start pushing it out. And when you get it all out, we're going to press it and get it nice and sharp. What's good about using this purple thing is you come along and you will really come along your seams like this and get them really out there, really poked out there so they don't overlap when you iron. Okay. Oops, we have one that's got an innie instead of an outie, so we get our little thing up in there, and there we go. Now we're ready to press.